Yeah, we here. Bless the Mic DVD.
Yeah,
we back
yeah,
doing
yeah,
our shit and all that.
Yeah.
I mean,
Young Agony, man. Young Suave Mac. You feel
You know
me?
what I'm saying?
Bugs, what up? You feel me? All day, every day. I'm fucking with my nigga Hall. You feel me? We back. We hungry now. We here. You feel me? I'm about to spit this little shit, lightweight shit for y'all. You know what I mean? Let y'all niggas know how we giving it up. You feel me? We in Ohio, but two New York niggas. You feel me? Hold us down. Listen. Young Ag, I got the SK with that 12 gauge. When I say you gon' flip, dog, I don't mean going to the next page. Fuck a chapter, we going to the next phase. Yo, they say I ain't fit for this world. Y'all false clowns, YA is just gripping the pearl. Walk past, and son gonna be gripping this girl. Niggas be in trouble like I'm giving referrals. It ain't about the teacher, but it's the shit that you serving. I ain't got HIV, but I'm spitting sick as Irvin. That piff got me dizzy as hell. Can't you tell? Cause the shit got me swerving. You could eat those shells like Velveeta's. The fiend saying give me the E just like the cheerleaders. With the switchblade cut a nigga face out where his features like a scared creature. Me and my dudes is cold hearted. Yeah, we quick to heat you. Eat you, get you all done and over with fast. Cause I'm dishing bullets out like we took the talent from Nas. Listen, they say the sound of the gun'll make you take off like a track meet. And I'm a beastin', you ain't got to ask me.
Yeah.
Riding in expensive shit, looking so flashy. You dudes washed up, man, why you so ashy? Chicks think I'm cute and they know I'm real classy. Dude said he got stacks, bet he won't pass me. Catch bullets like Chad, guess you was an athlete. When I take off, leave him spinning like Tasby. Left pain in the game, streets call me Agony. Something like a chef the way I smash beat. Dude said he got Uzis, yeah, I got the guns by the peephole. Your bitch suck bloods, call that bitch mosquitoes. Listen, man, this Agony, man, come on, man. Fuck with us, man. NTG family, you already know what it is. Savage life, nigga, I put it on me. It's nothing, my nigga. A5, my nigga, you know what it is. Riot Squad, Bugs, what up? I'm here. The 28th, we got an event, man. Come see us, you feel me? Yeah, it's going down. We doing it real big, man.
I mean, like, definitely, that's positive and all that. I mean, we looking for a lot of the new people that's trying to get out there and show their shit. I mean, tell them come down, tryouts.
Yes.
Definitely having this shit out there, trying to bring it out
come
here.
bring it, my nigga. You feel me? Look, we hungry, nigga. I'm in the same shirt as the battle, my nigga. You feel me? We hungry, my nigga. Let's do it, my nigga. Let's get it, my nigga.
Alright,
Feel me?
for sure.
BX, where we at, man? Yeah.